Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Mr. Marashanya online lessons. So today we are going to continue from where we left, and today we are going to talk about what? We're talking about number 14 of June 2023, paper 2 combined science. Right, it says fig 14.1 shows one of the four strokes of an engine. All right. Identify giving two reasons the stroke shown. So the first thing that you are going to do is to identify the type of a stroke. This one is intake stroke. It's actually intake what? Intake stroke. Now I'm giving reasons why I'm saying this is intake stroke, because the inlet valve here is open. Okay, so the first reason is that inlet valve is open, and the exhaust valve is closed. Exhaust valve is closed. Okay, and another reason that I can give there is that the piston is moving downwards, as you can see here by the arrow. So the piston is moving downwards. Piston is moving downwards. Okay, so these are the reasons to my answers. For those who want to learn more about engines, just click the link in the description box, and that link is going to direct you to where I explained the four-stroke petrol engine and diesel engine, where you're going to see almost everything, how you're going to identify the intake stroke, the power stroke, the exhaust stroke, the compression stroke. So you're going to see everything there. Moving on to the next question, it says, name the type of the engine that consists of the stroke shown here. Right. The engine, let me see. So this one is actually the diesel engine. Yeah, it's a diesel engine. It's a diesel engine. State the type, give the reason to your answer. Why what down? Because there is no spark plug. There is no spark plug. Okay, there is no spark plug. Right, state one advantage and one disadvantage of the engine stated in item 2. Right, one advantage of diesel engine is that it is fuel efficient. Kureva kuti hainyanyi kudyira fuel, handitika, less polluting, and also it is more powerful. Okay, those are the advantages. It is more powerful. All right, another advantage is that it causes less pollution. Another advantage is that it is fuel efficient. Diesel engine means that fuel. Then when it comes to disadvantages of obviously using diesel engine is that it is expensive. Pane chakanaka pazoshayikwa chakaipa. So the only advantage that we have is that it is expensive, and also yeah, that's the disadvantage that I can give you. It is expensive. It is expensive. And on that note, isusu we are revising this question paper. What if the stroke there was for petrol, and they ask you the advantage and disadvantage of using a petrol engine? So the advantage of using a petrol engine is that it is lightweight, which means it is lighter, and also it is easier to start. These are the advantages now of petrol engine, not diesel. It is easier to start, it causes less noise. The fact that also petrol is cheaper as compared to diesel. And also my disadvantages of using a petrol engine is that I need regular servicing, and also it is less efficient, and it causes more pollution. Okay, that's it. Then the last question that we're having says, explain how a car braking system works. how a car braking system works. So I want you guys to listen as I'm going to explain this, okay? So guys, this is the thing that we want to talk about here. So here are special notes that you can just write on your notebook here. So I decided just to show you. Right, they are saying pressure is exerted on brake pedal, causing the piston in the master cylinder to compress the black fluid. So if you compress this down, right, like this, when brake pedals is pressed down, the brake pedal is pressed down, what is going to happen? Piston in master cylinder, it compress the liquid here, the oil. It compress as you are going to press down here, the liquid inside this one is going to be what is going to be compressed. Okay, so it applies pressure on what you call the brake fluid, and the brake fluid, it transmits all the pressure equally to all the four wheels, number 1, 2, 3, 4. So first thing, press down. When the brake pedal is pressed down, the piston in master cylinder, it applies pressure on the brake fluid, and after that the brake fluid, and it applies all the pressure to all the four wheels and to the piston that move outwards, pushing the brake shoe against the brake dam, which is obviously going to cause the car to what, to stop. Okay, so that's it. I hope you are assisted. So that's it, guys, and you're going to get 3 marks for that. Okay, meet you in the next video. Thank you so much for your support.